How to make someone co-host on Zoom meeting. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Zoom on your device. Make sure you're in the meeting. Then, at the bottom, click on Participants. After you click on Participants, at the bottom you will find all your participants pop up on the right side. After you see all the participants, simply scroll through the participants and beside their name you'll find three dots. Click on three dots, then click on Make Host. After you click on Make Host, simply click on Change Host. After that, you're good to go. This is how to make someone co-host on Zoom meeting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.